Hello everyone, welcome to Team Level channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to fix Discord black screen issue. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button. Let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, first of all, right click on Discord and go to properties, and after that follow all these steps as I am showing you in this video. So that's all for today's video, and hope so your issue is fixed. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.